guys, welcome back to another video. Today I have some new Thomas friends to give you out, and I have some new numbers. So let's get right into the video. Woo! Okay, let's start. You know, Douglas, right? He's the number 10 engine on the island of Sodor. This is him rolling around the track. He's the number 11 engine. I couldn't find a green train for Oliver, so he looks like a car, except his look for now. Oh, you can't see him. Okay, here we have Flint. We have a number 12 on the island of Sodor. I know Flint isn't supposed to have a number, but just accept it for now. I wanted to do it so kids can learn their numbers. Track and road. Here we have Birdie, the number 13 on the island of Sodor. We know he's not an engine too, but I just put him on a number because, okay, you should remember what I said. Let's show him off. Oops, sorry guys, I forgot to show you Flint in middle. Here's Flint. He's dancing. We have the Sodor police engine. He has wheels. He's supposed to be on road, but he is on track. I'm sorry if you want me to change this, and I do accept suggestions. So if you have any suggestions, comment down below. Thank you. Now here's the show off. Oh, and here's the 26. Finally, it's Sir Topham Hatt's car. Here's the number 14. Doesn't look like his real car, but here we go. Roll it. Okay, so that's it for today. I'll have a story later this day too. So stay tuned. Bye.